Welcome to Micron America, your trusted leader in fastener solutions and machinery. In this video, we will unbox the MICRON TEP-3 machine and demonstrate the complete step-by-step setup and installation process. The TEP-3 package deal includes one set of grommets and washers in your selected size, the machine body, handle, user manual, required assembly tools, and one compatible die set. To assemble, begin by removing the screw on the top part of the machine using the provided hex key. Next, position the machine handle. Align it with the screw hole, insert the screw fully, and tighten securely. Screw the top die into the upper die holder as shown, and place the lower die into the lower die holder. Using the same hex key, tighten the screw next to the bottom die to secure it in place, then use a wrench from your toolbox to tighten the upper die. Using the provided bolts and nuts, you may optionally secure your machine to a table through the two mounting holes at the base. To begin the application, place one washer on the bottom die with the concave side facing up and one grommet on the top die as shown. Next, place your choice of material in between. For maximum leverage, stand beside the machine with it positioned on your dominant side. Lean your body weight on the machine, then press down on the handle to complete the application. For any inquiries or general questions, please contact us at info@micronamerica.com or call us at 973-278-4100. You can also visit our website at micronamerica.com and our socials at Micron America Co. for more information. Micron America. Quality is our priority.